loves, today I have a TEMU haul to share with you. This one has a little, very little bit of, it's not a big haul. It was some things that I needed that I found on TEMU. I do have a little bit of Halloween. I did buy some Halloween dies on there, which when I tried them out, they were no good, so I'm not going to even show them on here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this, and let's go see what goodies I have bought. To the side. Okay, I'll show you the dies that I did like. So the first die I have is the spider die. It's here. I like this because you could layer it up, or you could even use it. I like to use this for like rosettes and stuff. I got that one. And then I saw this flower. I actually like this, so I went ahead and got the flower. This one has the back piece, and it does have some layering pieces for it. Love, love, love. I got that one. That's not Halloween, but works for me. I did get some embossing folders. I do like their embossing folders. This one is a spider web. I haven't tried this one out, but I do have a project in mind, which I bought the Spellbinders Craft the Wing, so I'm going to use this. But yeah, look at that. So that's the spider one, the spider embossing. Love it. So I got that one. And then the next one is now this one here is a Valentine one. So I got this one here. Look at that. Love, love, love. So they got different types of hearts. Love it. I got that one also. Now these are 50 to a bag, and I found them for, when I bought them, they weren't that much. I want to say like between $5 to $2. I have to check the link in my order, but I believe I'll put the prices on the video. But it wasn't expensive for these 50, and these are actually skull beads, and they have a iridescent shine on there. Look at that. How nice is that? How spooky. See that? And this does fit on the pokey tool. And that, there's enough room on there. But yeah, like I said, these weren't, there are some, I think I did see this for $10 on TEMU, but as I was searching, if you find one that is expensive, click on the actual link of this product and scroll down. Sometimes you find the cheaper one. So that's what I did. I found a $10 one for 50, and I thought it was a little too much for this, so I went ahead and scrolled down, and I found one even cheaper. So yeah, that's my little trick. So look at that. So I got those skulls. So I got two bags of those, because they weren't expensive. So the next thing I have is these dappers. This dapper, and it does come in this case. I needed this one here because, let me show you what I made. When I make my ACT card, I like to blend the little holes that I make. Well, I could use something different, but definitely for here, for my ATC. So I wanted something smaller because my other blending brushes were a little bit too big, and I didn't want them that big. But yeah, to blend that part, so I got these ones here. And all you do is just stick on your finger, put on your ink, and just ink away. How nice is this? So I got this one here. This is actually real nice. I'm gonna have to get one for my TEMU HAUL ones. Well, I use a different one for TEMU HAULs, but I also got that. Yeah, I do love the case that it comes in. So I got that. Like I said, I got that for that. And the next one I have here is some more blending brushes. And I got these. Have you look at that? I got these so that I could get into the little nicks and crannies of stuff. But yeah, that's not bad. That's actually pretty good. So this is another one that I got, and this one comes in 12. So you get 12 of them. You get 12 of them. So I like that also. And then the last thing I have here, I like drilling holes in cabochons and stuff and to make them into charms or into beadable pins. Actually, let me show you. Like this big one here is usually a flat, just like a flat cabochon, but a big one. And all you do to make a hole is I used to freehand it with my hand, just hold it and drill a hole. But with this right here will hold it in place. You put it in there, tighten it up, and you can drill your hole. So I got that for that. So yeah, that is my little haul from TEMU. I do got more TEMU orders coming in, so, and a little more Halloween in those orders. And yeah, with that, I'll have all the links below if they're available. And like I said, I did have some dies that didn't cut as great. I want to do one more thing with foil and see if I could get them to cut better. But if I can't, then I'm just gonna not even post it. But yeah, that's my little TEMU haul to share with you. Looks like TEMU is actually getting a lot better now that everything's settling. Yeah, but like I said, if something's expensive, click on it. Keep scrolling, you might find something cheaper. That's my little trick for you. That's my little hint on to get something a little cheaper. But yeah, make sure you like the video, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.